Well, hey there. I'm really glad that you were able to register for the workshop. You should be receiving your confirmation email in your inbox at any moment. But I also wanted to let you know that I've been working really hard on this project so that when we finish the workshop, you'll be able to walk away with actionable steps that you can use in your life with your clients, your employees, and even your family and friends. So this workshop, it's going to help you learn to say no and prioritize your goals without feeling guilty. But can you do me a favor? It would be great if you could reply to the email that I just sent you confirming your registration. Just hit reply and then let me know what is the biggest challenge that you face when saying no. Because I really want to personalize a lot of the content so that you can walk away from the workshop with customized advice. I'm definitely not going to be using names or any personal details in the workshop when we're live. But I'd really like to hear when it's difficult for you to say no, and then I'd like to give practical suggestions during the workshop for those situations. So I'd really appreciate you taking a moment to do that if you can. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you there. Don't forget to mark the date on your calendar.